Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Sensor Data Monitoring over CAN Bus using Arduino 80 Mega 328 microcontroller. So the sensors are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, gas by smoke sensor. So DHT11 temperature humidity, MQ2 gas by smoke sensor. So we are using two parts. One is transmitter part, another one is the receiver part. Transmitter part consists of four sensors. So those are connected with the DHT11 temperature humidity sensor. It is connected to the A3 analog 3 of Arduino board. So smoke sensor, it is connected to the A0 analog 0 to the Arduino board. Fire sensor, it is connected to the A2. LDR sensor, it is connected with the A1. We are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it convert to 5 volts pure DC output. 16 cross 2 LC display, it is connected with RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 T3 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are connected with the LCD pin numbers. So we are using MCP2515 CAN controller and CAN trans receiver. So those are connected with the interrupt pin SCL and SDA, MOSI, MYSO, serial clock and chip selector. Those are connected with the chip select. It is connected to the 10th pin. MISO, it is connected to the 12th pin. MOSI, it is connected to the 11th pin. Serial clock, it is connected to the 13th pin. Interrupt pin, it is connected to the 2nd pin. So here CAN high and CAN low connected to the another controller board. So those are connected with the same pins of Arduino Uno R3 board and 5 volts power supply board, receiver module, and 16 cross 2 LC display, one alarm. If any fire detected, alarm should be on. If there is no fire, alarm should be off. This is our block diagram of the project. Okay, so we can add one GSM module also. In future we can get the SMS alerts. So let us coming into the hardware part, and this is the receiver part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it is connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming, and 80 mega 328 microcontroller IC board, and CAN controller board. So CAN high, CAN low. CAN high, it is connected to the orange pin. CAN low, it is connected to the yellow pin. Okay, so there is a closed loop resistor, 120 ohm resistor. Here we are using MCP2515 CAN controller, MCP2551 CAN trans receiver module. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Alarm connected to the A0. Okay, so transmitter part. So this is totally receiver part, and this is the transmitter part, consists of 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using Arduino Uno R3 board, Arduino Uno R3 board, and a 16 cross 2 LC display. Display, and MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, and same CAN controller board, MCP2515 CAN controller, MCP2551 CAN trans receiver, and CAN high, CAN low. Okay, so let's start with the power supply. Sensor data monitoring. Okay, CAN bus. So here reset button, receiver module. Okay, sensor data monitoring over CAN bus using Arduino receiver module, CAN receiver module node. So it is continuously taking the data from the sensors one by one, and it will update the data onto the LCD display. So here T for temperature, H for humidity, S for smoke, L for LDR, F for fire. Okay, so now I am going to give the fire. Okay, sorry, first gas alert. No alert, only gas value should be updated onto the LCD display. So now I am going to give humidity. Okay, humidity 76. Yeah, 76. Okay, now I will update the humidity value. Temperature 32, 34, 39. It will update one by one. 35, 39. Okay, 28, 43, So one by one continuous data with each and every sensor data along with the address it will sense. Okay, so LDR, so now I am closing the LDR sensor. Okay, 0. So it will update within, after sensors data one by one updated, it will update. 19, 19, 6. Okay, so now I am giving the sensor 162, 177, 162, 177. So now I am going for the fire. Fire, yes, it will update. Fire, yes, H for humidity, T for temperature, and here is the smoke sensor, LDR sensor, and fire sensor. Yeah, alarm should be on. Fire, yes, fire, 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 yes, fire, yes. H for humidity, T for temperature, S for smoke, L for LDR, F for fire. Okay, so here H for humidity, T for temperature, so smoke, LDR, fire. No, after 5 counts, whatever the data, it is updated. Future values, those it will check those values and it will update. So fire equal to no, fire equal to no. So there is some delay for each and every one by one sensor data. Temperature, humidity, smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, can data should be updated here. If fire, yes, then alarm should be on. Fire, yes, it will update after say, yeah, fire equal to yes, fire equal to yes. Temperature, temperature 33, temperature 33, temperature 39. Here also it will update. 26, 40, 41, 42, 168. Gas sensor, gas alert, 233, it will update. 187, 240, 239, 111, 111. Okay, so every time it will update the data. 161, 164. So this is total transmitter receiver part. Power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, a CAN controller board, 16x12 LCD display, alarm. So this is a power supply board, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, temperature humidity sensor, LDR sensor, 33. So it will update. 24, 26, 81, 81. Fire sensor, CAN controller. Thank you.